Good morning, class 4. This is your SST class, and today we are starting with chapter 11, the climate in India. In this chapter, we will read about climate and weather, three main seasons: summer season, rainy season, and winter season. So let us get an idea about this new term, meteorology. It's a scientific study of the Earth's atmosphere, especially its patterns of climate and weather. This study helps in making forecast about the weather and the climate of a place. So let's learn what is weather. It means a short-term observation of a region's rainfall, temperature, etc. It is a condition of atmosphere at a particular time and place, and weather keeps on changing every day. Climate. Climate implies to the general weather conditions that are typical of a place. For example, North India has hot and dry climate between April and June, and it is a climate that decides our lifestyle, the type of our houses, the food we eat, and the clothes we wear. The three main seasons. India, being a vast country of diverse geographic features, does not have the same weather conditions in all its regions. Some places have very heavy rainfall and floods. Some places do not receive any rainfall, and yet some others in the Himalayan region remain cold throughout the year. The Himalayas in the north and the Thar Desert in the northwest affect India's climate. Relatively hot. Tropical climate is warm to hot and humid all the year around. India's climate can be divided into three main seasons: summer, winter, and the rains. Summer season. The Indian summer starts from April and continues till June end. During May, June, the temperature rises up to 50 degrees Celsius at some places in the northern plains. Heat waves, also called Lu in Hindi, sweep the states such as Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and Punjab. In summers, the days are longer and the nights are shorter. The month of June is the hottest in India. Southern parts of India are less hot, and this is because they are surrounded by the sea on all the three sides. Next is rainy season. Summer ends with the beginning of the rainy season in India. The rainy season begins in June and continues till September. The moisture-laden monsoon winds blowing from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal bring rains to India. In different regions of India, the rainfall varies widely from the country's average annual rainfall of 120 centimeters. Parts of Meghalaya receive about 800 centimeters of rainfall annually against just 0 centimeter received by a certain area is Rajasthan. Next is Manisaram in Meghalaya receives the maximum rainfall in India. Next is winter season. In India, the winter season falls between mid-November and mid-March, with January being the coldest month of the season. In the winter months, the days are short and nights are long. Most of the India remains dry. Only the coastal Tamil Nadu gets heavy rainfall during this season. Strong winds coming from the west cause light rainfall in the plains and snowfalls in the mountains. In some parts of northeast and north Indian states, temperatures fall as low as 0 degrees Celsius during the winter months. However, the coastal areas of India enjoy a pleasant weather during the winter. In the desert region, days are pleasant while nights experience a temperature below the freezing point in some areas. Now, have a quick glance. India's climate is influenced by the Himalayas, mountains, and the monsoon. The country has three main seasons: summer, winter, and the rainy season. Both summer and winter are intense in the northern plains and the Thar Desert. The coastal areas, the northeastern states, and the islands receive plenty of rainfall. Thank you, students, for listening. Hope you have understood it.